What special would you choose if you were coming to the open house and purchasing one?
I think one of the great option is if you suffer from like excessive sweating in the armpits, especially now during the summertime. Did you know we could use Botox as a medical treatment for hyperhidrosis or excessive sweating? And typically it's $1,200 for both armpits, but right now it's $900 for both armpits. So even if you were thinking about trying it, this would be a time to try it out.
Pico toning for the face, 4 treatments, usually $3,200. That's like,
And the
that's great.
Pico. Pico's my favorite.
Oh my god, isn't the Pico one so good?
It's so good.
Right?
It's the best.
I think we already know the answer to this one. I think my special would be the Jeuveau and Xeomin special. You save $400, which is insane. So you get 200 units and you're saving $400, and you just have those units like in the bank, and then you have them all year long to use them. So Jeuveau.
I would definitely do the Diamond Glow facial with one of the nurses. You buy 4 and you get one free, or that's like the discounted price is $1,000. I personally love it. It's amazing. It makes my face feel very glowy afterwards, and I always do it right before an event too.
I would go for the Pico series of 4 treatments.
Oh my god, isn't the Pico one so good?
It's so good.
Right?
It's the best.
Because you're saving $400, and that's 4 treatments, which is going to give you great results, and your skin's going to be glowing and tight, and you're going to look amazing, and you won't have any downtime.
I would choose the laser hair removal package with our nurses.
Which special would you go for?
Me? Absolutely 100% the Jeuveau, the Xeomin.
I'd go with the Pico toning special.
Oh my god, isn't the Pico one so good?
It's so good.
Right?
It's the best.
4 treatments for $2,800. Original price $3,200 because it's safe for Asian skin.
Ooh, the Body Blast.
I think I would go for laser hair removal with an RN.
So if I were a patient, I would do Jeuveau. You get 200 units for $2,600, which is a really good deal. And you normally get Jeuveau every 3 to 4 months, so that's good. Or I would do a breast augmentation with Dr. Alstrom. He's great for $1,500 off.
I would absolutely do the tummy blast. I mean, Cool Sculpting and True School Flex for it's like $1,000 off.
Pico? That's $400 off Pico, and you love Pico.
I would do the breast aug also, or I'm also interested in the Body Blast with the RNs, or I would do maybe the Pico toning series.
Oh my god, isn't the Pico one so good?
It's so good.
Right?
It's the best.
Plastic surgery specials?
I was talking all the time.
Your story?
Because he's very clingy.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I would do the $1,500 off the breast aug. That's such a good deal. That's awesome.
Diamond Glow all day, every day. Everybody loves looking dewy.
Want to tell me what special you would go for?
Are these all specials?
Yeah.
I think I'd go for the 4 treatments of the Pico toning for $2,800.
Oh my god, isn't the Pico one so good?
It's so good.
Right?
It's the best.
Okay, I would definitely do the Diamond Glow facial, get our summer glows on.
Ooh, surgery.
So I would probably recommend the Cutera XLV laser. It normally is $525 per treatment, but it's actually $400 per treatment.
You're recording me too?
Yeah.
I can't do it anymore.
I'm not ready. Stop.
Stop.
Can you guys not laugh?
Does this even work?
Wait, I'm thinking. Is it on right now?
Yeah.
Do you see the fuzzy thing?
What's up?
Is that for to do makeup?
No, it's microphones.